Yeah, so I bought a boat. I've always wanted a boat for a while, and here we are. I bought a 2002 Sea Ray Sundancer 260. This is supposed to be a fun, family-friendly vessel that's easy to use. I've always been into boating, but this is like my real first ownership experience. So I found this vessel on Facebook Marketplace, and my plan is to, as you can see, it needs a lot of cleaning. This is a lot of mold. So I already took some pieces out, took the back seat, the armrest, and tried some things at home to see how it looked like if it's cleaned. And today I brought some cleaning materials. Let's see what we got. I got some Goo Gone, courtesy of the Facebook group, to just take some like nasty stains off. And then I got this like spray to get all this mold out. So all this black you see is mold. I am nervous, but I'm also super excited because I've always wanted to get my family out on the water and go to Catalina, sail to Catalina. That's my goal. This vessel happened to be one that I think would accomplish that. It needs a new engine, so that's already. Luckily, I found a very good mechanic that can do the swap. So old engine out, new engine in, and we should be good to go. Electrical works, which is amazing. The interior, let's see, let me show you. The interior is actually in pretty decent shape. So I just took this, I'm patting out because it forms into the bed that this could form into. It's got a storage right here. It's got AC. This port vents are nice to have because right now it's actually kind of hot in San Diego. And this cabin through hatch is pretty nice. It's got a microwave, a sink, a refrigerator, a stove. The radio works. I just powered it down to save battery because we're not plugged to shore yet. This is the head. Needs a little bit of love, but it is actually pretty good for its age. I am very lucky to have found this one. Oh yeah, here's another, I guess you want to call it the stateroom. Let's see. There's storage back there. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just documenting this, bringing it up to par experience to share with the world. Let's see if I can go out this way. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep. Bringing it out to share experience with the world. And yeah, this is about to be quite the experience, and I'm excited. I'm nervous. I've heard so many things about boat ownership. Don't do it, it's too expensive. It's, and yeah, it is expensive, but I think what you get out of it, it's going to be pretty cool. You get to meet so many nice, folks. You get to take people on experiences. My goal is to be able to get friends and family from out of town and take them out on the water and just show them a different side of San Diego they would otherwise not see on land. Seeing the water in San Diego is just beautiful. We'll get to experience all that. Yeah, this is my first video, just showing you a quick, brought down of the inside and what I need to do. In the next couple of videos, I'm just going to show you my experience and hopefully maybe inspire other people to get into boating. I saw some YouTube videos and some other boaters, how they got this amazing deals and They've made it into, you know, really cool experiences, and that's something I'm hoping to replicate. So that being said, this is my first video. Again, super excited, nervous. Oh man, this thing looks really bad on camera, but actually it's not that bad in person. In the next video, I probably will go over the big, you know, stuff for the boat, what needs to be really done, the engine, the technical things. Yeah, and the features. Like real quick, I could show you. It's got navigation, which is super old from early 2000s. This radio, it all works, but I don't know if I'm going to change it. I'm not sure yet. I've heard this cables go bad. I'm very lucky that this is actually working well. Let me get this out of there. But yeah, aside from that, I'm gonna name this boat, well, still kind of talking over with my wife, so we'll see what we'll come up with. But I think I have an idea of what I want to name it. Yeah, super pumped, super excited, super nervous, but super excited overall. Yeah, can't wait to get this thing on the water this summer, and yeah, get the family out there and just amazing experience. So this is a sunbed here. You know, we could lay out there. I could see my wife laying out here, or she likes the bow actually. So, so she could be up there just lounging out. People who want to be in the shade. It's got this camper bag, so I'm trying to figure that out to get it operational. But yeah, this mold's got to go. This is all mold. I promise, it's gonna look so good once it's complete, or cleaned actually. I'm gonna do some cleaning today. I'll document what I, clean. Hopefully it turns out good. And yeah, did some little vacuuming today, so it looks nice. This is a step to step aboard or on the bow. So pretty nifty and cool. Now here's one that's really, really nasty. So let me put the helm bench down. Okay, let's see what magic this does to this chair. Because look at this. This is, it looks bad. This looks bad. Okay, so magic, here we come. The magic eraser. Hopefully, this thing does its wonders on this chair. That's a lot more. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna come up a little bit. Wow. Man. Yeah, this stuff is pretty bad. This is pretty bad. Hoping for the best with this chair. If not, I might just have to reupholster it, but I don't want to. I want to bring it back to life. So let's see what magic happens here. Wow. It's coming up a little bit. Wow. Okay. Okay. Look at the difference here. Oh my goodness. Yep. I knew this stuff had good life in it still. And here we are. This stuff is good. This stuff is so good. Wow. Okay. This stuff is so good. They need to sponsor me throughout this build, or call it a renovation of this boat, because this stuff is wow. Still needs some more little cleaning, but on camera it looks bad, but honestly in person this looks pretty good. I am impressed. Now you can see the difference, right? Like that's the side that I just sprayed on, and this side is not sprayed yet. So keep that in mind when I spray that part. Man, this thing's gonna be looking so good. Can't wait. All right, see you all on the next video.